This is definitely one of my favorite sweet thing to eat, or the most favorite. That's why I decided to share this amazing recipe with you guys. It's absolutely vegan, healthy and incredibly delicious. And so simple to make it, just out of 4 ingredients: date fruit, coconut oil, hazelnuts and cocoa powder. You have to crush all of these ingredients into little pieces. I start with nuts first. Blend them properly until you get powder mixture, but it's up to you if you like the pieces of nuts be a little bigger in the paste. Don't blend it for long then. And then I move to the date fruits. Take out all of the seeds from each of the dates. Make sure there are no seeds left. Otherwise, everything will be spoiled and it will be not possible to eat if you blend the seeds too. Then I cut them into tiny pieces as much as possible so it would be easier to blend them in the mixer. Before that recipe I didn't even like date fruits, but then I fell in love with them. And the coolest thing about the chocolate paste that it has zero sugar, date fruit that what makes it taste sweet. Add 100% pure organic virgin coconut oil. The amount of everything depends on what you like more and how much you want to have of it into the paste. But coconut oil not only gives us an amazing flavor, but it also helps us to blend everything to the needed mixture. I mix it with a spoon first and then I blend it. Blend properly until the mixture is going to be hard. It may already be served to eat, but if you want a chocolate paste, then you add cocoa powder. Mix with spoon or blend with blender. And voila! This delicious, vegan, healthy, organic chocolate paste is ready. You and your family will absolutely love it. Even the little kids will prefer it over any other grocery chocolate paste. When I take 1 spoon of it, I just can't stop there. It is very addicting and I pretty much often make this one. I absolutely adore this paste. Let me know in the comments if you like it too. Thank you for watching. See you next video.